Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Mark again. And if you're new to my channel, if you love cars DIYs, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to check out my playlist. Okay, so for today's DIY, guys, what I'm going to show you is how you will clean the rear drum brakes, or basically the drum brakes of your car. It doesn't matter what type of vehicle. As long as it's a drum brake, the process would be the same. It might be a little different depending on the configuration of your drum brake system. But for this specific DIYs, what we are going to use are basically simple things. You'll need a tire wrench, a ratchet, a size 32 mm socket. That's actually for the spindle knot, a rubber mallet, or if you have a hammer, that's okay. Jack stand, penetrating oil, brake cleaner, jack, and you will be using a long nose pliers for those clips.
Midnight, wasted, friends all around, faded, like we've got nothing to lose. Strangers in my sheets, wake up, rewind and repeat, but I'm still caught up on you. Nothing really mattered when we had it all. Happy ever after was an afterthought, and I've got to know. Baby, do you ever think of when we were together on the 4th of July, underneath the fireworks sky? And I said, everything is perfect 'cause you're holding me. You and I together like we're supposed to be, 'cause you need me and I need you. But that's just my point of view. That's just my point of view. Yeah. Pictures on my phone remind me that I'm on my own, and I don't know what to do. Thoughts are useless, trying to make it through this. I'm still caught up on you. Nothing really mattered when we had it all. Happy ever after was an after.
Okay, so once the wheels and tires has been removed, all we need to do now is basically remove the center cap of your drum brake using a flathead screwdriver. Okay, and then your spindle nut will be exposed. This one. So when loosening this up, make sure you open this one, okay? Because that will damage your spindle. All right, so once the spindle nut is out, this one, all you need to do now is remove the brake drum, which is this one. Just make sure you release the handbrake and using your rubber mallet, okay, just try to loosen up a bit the brake drum. Okay, and then go ahead and try to pull it out. Okay, there you go. And that's our uh, rear drum brake. Drum has been removed, and there are a couple of ways to clean your drum brake system. One would be after removing the brake drum, just point and shoot the brake cleaner that we have. This. The other one would be, if you want to be thorough, is you'll remove everything. I already removed the uh, drum brake holder. You still need to remove a couple of things: the brake tensioner with this, and then the brake sensor at the back, and then the brake adjuster, this one, and then the other brake tensioner, which is this. And then that's the time you'll be able to pull both drum brake apart. So you, it depends on you on how you wanna clean your brake system. Okay, but I'm gonna show you both. So, and at this point, I'm just gonna return everything in its place. Um, those are the dust and grimes that we have removed after cleaning the brake shoe. I actually removed or dismantled everything. I'll show you on a time-lapse video on how I did do it, and also lubricate those screws, and just make sure that you don't put any grease or oil on the brake shoe themselves. Looks pretty clean to me. I'm gonna return everything, and yeah, let's see.
A few moments later.
All right, guys. I just finished putting back the tires and wheels, the brake drum, everything. So just finished basically cleaning and overhauling, or basically just cleaning and re-lubricating the drum brake system of my car, or Hyundai Eon. That's what it looks like. So those are my tools. And I just like to share with you guys. So this is the. Let's wait for the plane to pass by so you can hear it better. All right. So this is my 5-year-old engine, and you can see um, very quiet and very stable. No erratic vibration or whatsoever. I'm thinking of creating a video, a DIY periodic maintenance video. Just the usual. Let me know what you guys think of that idea. Put it on the comment section below. And basically that concludes our DIY session for today. Cleaning, removing, and possibly replacing your brake system, drum brake system for your car. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to comment down below. And if you have any questions, just send me a private message on my official Facebook page. All right. Once again, this is Mark. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until our next DIY.